everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. In this video, working on a 2008 Toyota Tundra air conditioning system. And what happened is, I always have cold AC, and then one day, the blower is still blowing, but it's blowing hot air all of a sudden. And then when I come to the engine bay and look at the compressor is not running. So the clutch is never activated. I think it's the relay that's gone bad and it never activate the clutch. So I'm gonna go in and swap the relay and see if we can fix that problem. The easiest thing to look for first is these relays right here. And the truck being 18 years old, this relay can go bad, and I'm gonna make the attempt to swap out the AC relay and see if this helps before I go further into the investigation. Looking into the fuse box on the driver's side, and when you look in, immediately you can see the matching color of that relay. I didn't even have to go look to see where the AC relay is. I'm just gonna pull that and see if it looks the same, and then replace it, see if it helps with the AC. Well, these look exactly like the one I bought from Amazon. So I'm gonna go and swap it. So this is the new one. Okay, here's the new one. I just inserted it. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start the truck and see if we get some cold AC. Well guys, the AC is working great. It's blowing cold air again, so the problem is fixed. I get cold AC again. I'm very happy about that, and most importantly, it only took me about 5 minutes to swap out the relay. I hope the video is helpful. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.